ஐயா கொஞ்சம் பின்னாடி வாங்க ஐயா. ஐயா கேமரா பின்னாடி வேடா பின்னாடி வெட்டி
Yeah, myself Dr. Anthony Resh Kumar, urologist and kidney transplant surgeon at Kalaignar Centenary Super Specialty Hospital. Today morning around 10:30 a.m., one of my colleague was brutally assaulted and he was stabbed at his neck and it is left ear and he is in a very sick condition. He is a professor of medical oncology, one of the knowledgeable and most efficient professor which is gifted for our Tamil society. And there may be several reasons, there may be several questions why the accused has assaulted the doctor. But the pain and pathetic behind all these things are the medias, the politicians, the bureaucracy, and lack of punishment even for the rape accused. This is the main reason that the entire people mindset is being changed. And for this, we all government doctors of Tamil Nadu ask and request Honorable CM, Deputy CM and Health Minister to give a capital punishment for the accused, because this only bring a fear and in a long term the people mindset should change for the fellow human being. Sir, this is a pain, sir. How can you will treat a person, how can you will catch a knife with pain in mind? Will you do that work? If somebody is having a knife in his hand, and will you take a interview them? The same thing which is also applicable for a doctor who treats with the life of the patient, which can be lost in during the treatment. So we all doctors are in the huge pain, and that is evident by this agitation, and nothing is planned agitation. We want securities, we want functioning CCTV, we want police persons, we want licensed gun until the people mind changes that the doctors also a fellow human being. We request the top so-called superheroes to stop their idiotic action in their movie, which bring changes in the mind of the people, which is the major reason for all this nonsense which is prevailing in the society.
What are all the safety precautions is right now?
What, sir?
As a doctor, about the current situation, do you feel secured here, and what are all the ways?
Sir,
CCTV camera, where the government and the health minister have already said that there are a lot of cameras been installed. They are the process to install the CCTV.
sir, I will tell one simple point, sir. The only person behind or against a doctor in a government service is a bureaucracy. Even the politicians will accept our demand. The bureaucracy will never accept the demand. See, the population has increased from 4 crores to 8 crores in the last 10-15 years. But the doctor population for treating the poor patient has increased from 18,000 to 23,000. Do you think at least from 18,000 to 30,000 or 35,000 there should be increase? We request every time. The last 2 years, 3 years back, not 3 years, 4 years back, almost 1,600 government doctor posts has been reduced by the lovable bureaucracy. The only people or only persons against the government doctors, that is also affecting the government of Tamil Nadu, which is also affecting the government people or our own blood in this society, is a bureaucracy which prevents the needed doctor population ratio in the government service, but they love to increase the doctor population in the private to diffuse the profession, thereby to destroy the profession, but they don't have any interest to give a good service for the poor people by increasing the doctor. If 100 patient comes, which should be treated by a single doctor, he is a human. He will be irritated, no? Then how come the patient will be happy? So bureaucracy affecting the doctors. Doctors' stress goes to the patient, and sometimes this kind of accusing action or this kind of assault happens to the doctor, which is painful.
Bureaucracy is targeting doctors.
All majority of bureaucracy who is in 50s or 40s might be wanted to become a doctor and they fail to become a doctor. And the pathetic or painful situation is one of our senior, he occupy the top post in our own system, Tamil Nadu Secretariat. He doesn't like a doctor.
So after this West Bengal incident, what are all the safety measures we got in terms of like for the safety of the doctors?
I will say zero, sir. I will say zero. There are CCTVs. That should be a functioning CCTV.